Fantastic Four heroes as they come. Wow, what a group. Wow, they're all here. Introducing Migraine Mike. Wow, he's got headaches. Here comes Stinky Sis. Wow, that is stinky. Nuclear Bob. Kablooey. Introducing Wiggy Wonder. Oh, the wonder.
Travis, forward.
Oh, the wonder.
Okay, stop. Sit down. I'm your father. Did we get it?
This is Pastor Jared on the scene here, and we got quite a apparently, I've heard tell there's a hippie ninja terrorizing the neighborhood. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Hey, hippie ninja! Hippie ninja! Become hippie again! All right, I'm going to try to find someone here to interview. Let's see. Excuse me. Hey, can I talk to you, please? You know exactly what has been going on here. I believe his dying words were hippie ninja. And apparently this is real. I'm not sure what to think of it. Excuse me. Here. What exactly is going on here? What's happening? What people? What are you talking about? Wait! Oh no! Well, that's two down. Still not quite sure of the cause. We'll see if we can find someone. Excuse me, sir. I can't believe it. Excuse me, sir. What's going on here?
I don't know. I was just out here and I was just having fun with my friend.
When did you know it was over? He died. Wasn't as funny as it seemed. So, hey, I think we got a hippie ninja here. Excuse me, sir. Cut! Come on, this is great looking food. This isn't butter? I can't believe it is not butter. We can't believe it's not butter. Stand up and sing, you two. You can't believe it's not butter either. She is the pride of Tokyo and Bangladesh. She is very good at making the food that is Chinese and Japanese and Taiwanese. Iron Chef Sakai. Iron Chef Mutsiba. Iron Chef Ken Kenichi. Condiments. Ah, yes.
memory serves me correctly, these are used on many, many dishes. The competitor and Iron Chef both present one shared dish. It's the pride of all the various countries, and all the condiments flavor is represented. The food is so good, I think. It's like summer, but in the spring. Yeah, thank you. I see what you tried with the ranch. It's very good, but I would rather it was mixed with the other things. I don't know how to do it. The food is almost too good. I like my ketchup. It's not red, but more of a greenish brown with the bubblings. Pretty good though. Don't you say things first? Iron Chef Muchiba brought her A game, and the competitor tried very hard to help with her dish. The verdict